we get lost, we can get high. Because me gone, I feel alive. Anywhere, anyway, I will love you. We rule the world, just you and I. Just let me down, we walk the line. When all the things go wrong, I'll take a shot for you. Give me your love, give me clouds.
Hi guys, so in today's video I'm gonna be sharing with you the February's Glamego box which I got yesterday, and here is the packaging. You can see I'm going to unbox it. Obviously I have not seen all the products, so I know all the products which have come, but I have not opened it yet. I just wanted to unbox it in front of you guys. So here is my scissor and here is the box, as you can see, and I'm just going to cut it from here. And here I'm going to open it up. I'm very much excited because this is going to be a love, okay, I'll open it, a love theme maybe. Here is the box.
Glamego box February 2018 box comes with premium brand products. Celebrate the month of love with India's #1 beauty subscription box. I have received 4 products. These products are worth rupees 2,300, and with Glamego you get this at just rupees 299 inclusive of free shipping. Means along with quality products you save 2,000 rupees. This month's Glamego box brings you a chance to win worth rupees 10,000 shopping voucher. Just mark your loved one's middle or last name on February's Glamego box and post on Instagram and tag them to complete your entry.
Now let's just see what we got inside it. So this is the box, you can see, and so it's 10,000 rupees voucher for Shoppers Stop, India's #1 beauty box #contest. I think any kind of contest going on right now. I'm not sure, like I'm not really sure about what I can do with this card. I think I have to be a part of that contest, and if I win it, then only I think I can buy stuffs which worth rupees 10,000. And next I have here is the Cocoa Caffeine Glow Pack with seaweed for dry skin. So the first product I have here with me is this. This is McAfee's Cocoa Caffeine Glow Face Pack.
This is the best face mask you can ever use. It has an amazing coffee fragrance that lingers till you wash the mask. Cocoa helps in sun damage prevention and exfoliates your dead skin cells to give even skin tone. This is a gel-based mask that won't dry your skin after washing the mask. I just love it. When I opened it, I felt like I really want to eat it, but I can't, I know, but it has the killer fragrance, guys. I really recommend you guys to try it out.
So I have this McAfee's Cocoa Face Pack here. Let me just smell it. Okay, is it sealed? Okay, and you can see the cap and you have to just open it up. Oh my god, it's pure chocolate, guys. Like chocolate with coffee. Can I eat it? Oh my god, I'm definitely going to try this thing out. Just look at it, guys. I'm definitely going to try it. Oh my god, just can't get over it. The smell is so freaking awesome. And if you guys don't know, let me tell you, I love anything about cocoa. Like, I love chocolate smell. I can wear chocolate perfume, chocolate lipsticks, chocolate, like lipsticks not, sorry, chocolate lip balm, chocolate perfume, chocolate everything. I just love chocolate smell. Oh my god, I'm definitely gonna try it out. The price of it is 359 rupees, which is like 360 almost. This is the first thing I got. And the second thing I got is this. Name of it is the Nature's Core Radiance Face Cream, and the price of it is 550.
Saffron is being used since ancient times in beauty regimes because of its lightening and brightening skin properties. This is another exclusive product in Glamego box of February 2018. This product claims to promote natural fairness and youth radiance by diminishing age spots and fine lines. This comes with an age-defining formula that helps to maintain your natural skin fairness and make it look radiant.
This is the face cream. Let me just open it. Be careful while opening it. It doesn't have any kind of smell in it. It has a smell, but it's not like it's I can't express the smell of it. But oh my god, look at it, guys. Just watch. Like, this is the smoothest cream I have ever seen in my life. The smoothest one. Like, seriously, let me just apply it here to show. Wow. Like, this is the moisturizing cream. Like, if you have dry skin, then voila. This is the moisturizing, and it's not very light and it's not very thick. It is in between. It is moisturizing, and I think I can use it because it is not very thick and it is not very watery or thin. So it is kind of in between, and I think I can use it. And I am going to be using, because I think we should try different kind of things rather than, you know, stick to one thing. I think if we, you know, keep changing our favorites, then, you know, it will be better for us, so that we can try new things in our life, and we won't be like, I'm not going to be using it because I don't like it. I think, you know, we just, you know, you should give it a chance. Like, we should try it once in our life. So that is what I felt about it, and I think I am going to use it because specifically I did not get any kind of specific smell that I can express. Like, it has a smell which feels like it doesn't have any smell, and at the same time which feels like it has very minimal smell. So like very light smell. I cannot just express it at all. So yeah, this is what I got. I'm definitely going to use it, and this is going to be very moisturizing to those people who have, you know, dry skin, and whoever have oily skin. I think they can also use it because, as I said, it is in between. It is not very thick, not very light, so I think everyone can use this. Next product I have here gonna be my favorite one, because I know that I love lip products. Bella Voste Ultimate Chubby Stick. This is how it looks. Let's just open it up and let's just see. So it looks like this.
This chubby lip crayon is a non-drying formula with a silky and creamy texture. It has a full coverage stain matte finish that is long-lasting. This lip crayon is fully free from preservatives, oil and nano ingredients that makes it really safe to use even if you are a beginner or have sensitive lips. These Italy formulated lip crayons are really worth the penny they ask for.
I really love the packaging. Like, seriously, look at the packaging. I really love it. Just wow. So it's a lip crayon. It has a smell but not a scenty smell. So let's just see. Wow, it is very smooth. Like, it is very smooth, guys. I have not ever used any lip crayon till now, but this is the first time. I really liked it a lot, like a lot. I'm definitely gonna you know, use it, and I've been thinking of, you know, buying such kind of lipsticks, like lip crayons, but I've never, you know, got the chance to buy it, but now I got it. So yes, I'm very much happy. So I'm gonna be using it a lot, I know. Yeah, that is the third product I got. Next I have here with me this Chronocare Pollu Stop Face.
Chronocare products are paraben, sulfate, mineral, chemicals free. Glamego February box brings their unique product, anti-pollution face spray. No nanoparticles, no free radicals. You can spray this face mist directly over the face after daily cream application. Massage it well for better penetration. It also works under or over your makeup to protect the skin against pollutants entering the pores. This will act as a shield against pollution.
Chronocare Pollution Stop Face. The price of it is 495 rupees. It's just totally sealed. As you can see, it's fully sealed. Let me just check if I can open it up for you people. Yeah, I think I can. It has a nice smell. Let's see. Okay, so it's in a spray form, and when you apply it, I've applied it here, so that's why I'm showing it here. If you are going out, you can use it, like you can wear it. It is sun protective against pollution for face, for all skin types. So it's not like you have to be like, even if you have dry skin or oily skin or whatever skin you have, you can still use it because it has all for all skin types. I think so it's a protection from pollution. I think you can protect your face from pollutions or something like that. And this is a very interesting product. I'm just telling over again and again, I've never ever tried such product. I never ever thought of just ever try this product because I don't even knew about it. So now when I know about it, I think it is very interesting product, and I am definitely going to be trying it out, and let's see how well it turns out. Is it going to be working well or not? And you can get the instructions and everything, and I'm very much excited for all the products I got. I really am very much interested about 3 products which I got from this box. One is this face pack. I am super duper excited, and the next is this Chronocare, because I have not seen any kind of like pollution protector. I have never ever heard about pollution protector, so I'm very much interested about it. So I think I'm gonna be trying it out to see if it works or not. And obviously, how can I forget my lip shade? So this 3 I guess is going to be my favorite. It's not that I didn't like it, but this is the face cream, and I am not that much interested about face cream, but I hope this will turn out well, because anyways I am gonna be using all of this, and I'm very much excited for this 3. And yeah, I think I'm gonna be like very much happier, and I'm just can't wait to use it. And yeah, if you guys wanna see a review of these products, then let me know which product you are interested. So if you guys interested, then let me know that if you want to see reviews of this product. If yes, then I'm definitely going to be trying it out and going to give my review or my opinion on this. So yeah, just let me know. I'm just going to be taking a little bit of time, because obviously I need to try all these products, and I need to observe everything, then I can only say anything about these products. So if you guys interested, then let me know. I would love to do review of this product. So yeah, I think I'm already in love with February's Glamego box, and I'm very much excited to try all this product. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, you know what you have to do. You have to subscribe to my channel, like this video and share it, and I shall see you super duper soon. Take care. Bye.